Hello friends, Sam here. So today what we are going to talk about, we'll talk about different cloud offerings. So whenever you learn Salesforce, first thing you come to know about Salesforce is it is nothing but SaaS, software as a service kind of product. What does it mean? So to understand that, firstly, we need to understand all cloud offerings right from IaaS, that is infrastructure as a service. This is called as infra as a service. Now, what do you mean by infrastructure? So your computer hardware, let's say your CPU speed, your RAM and your hard disks, that actually forms the infrastructure. Okay, so whenever you purchase new computer, what do you get? Suppose you get like 2 gigahertz of CPU, you get like 8 GB of RAM, you get like 1 terabyte of hard disks and all. That is what is your infrastructure. So whenever certain cloud provider offers infrastructure as a service, you will get an account on the cloud. You will get username, password, and using that credential, you access resources on the cloud. What resources? You will get some CPU, for example, 1 gigahertz CPU you are getting. You get some RAM, let's say 8 GB RAM you will get. And let's say some storage capacity, 500 GB capacity you get. Okay, this all infrastructure is available on the cloud. You just have to log in there and you have to use that infrastructure. It is as good as providing a blank machine to you on network, on cloud. Okay, which does not have operating system, no utilities or no development environments for you like Eclipse if you want to do Java development and all, nothing is installed. So if you go for infrastructure as a service, you need to take care of your operating system installation, you need to take care of your utilities installation, and all installations you need to take care along with the licensing stuff. That is what infrastructure as a service. What is the next? Next is platform as a service. Next is platform as a service. Now, what do you mean by platform as a service? So platform means what? The computer which is loaded with all softwares. For example, operating system is loaded in that, antivirus utilities and all loaded in that, development environments are loaded in that. For example, if you are a Java developer, Eclipse is already loaded in that. Such fully loaded machine is called as platform. Okay, so whenever you get platform as a service on cloud, then on cloud you will get infrastructure. So platform includes infrastructure already. So you get infrastructure, so CPU and the RAM and hard disks and all you get. Along with that, cloud provider will take care of your operating system installation also. If you want Linux, if you want let's say Windows or any kind of operating system, you just have to specify that and they will take care of licensing and installation of all that operating system on your cloud machine. Okay, along with that, if you want some utilities, antivirus utilities or other kind of utilities, you can configure that. If you want some development environment, like I want Eclipse to do the Java development, suppose, then that kind of configuration also I can do on cloud. So that fully loaded machine on the cloud, okay, imaginary virtual machine, that is called as platform as a service. So whenever you take platform as a service, it is actually included infrastructure as a service in that. Okay, that is what platform as a service. Is that clear? Now next one is, now whenever you go for platform as a service, you have to develop your software using that fully loaded cloud machine. So you will actually write your own software, develop your own software. But third one is ready-made software, that is software as a service. So whoever is a cloud provider, they are giving you infrastructure, they are giving you platform, so you have fully loaded machine as well as software is also developed for you. Let's say if you want to go for CRM, then Salesforce software is already provided to you ready-made. You just have to log into that with your credentials, and you just have to do the customization in that as per your specific need. So software as a service means what? The software is also ready. You just have to customize that. You don't have to build it from scratch. Remember that. Okay. So just a quick recap. Whenever I say infrastructure as a service, let me write it down here. We just talked about software as a service. So whenever we say infrastructure as a service, so it is only hardware resources given to you. Whenever platform as a service, so it's a fully loaded hardware which is provided to you, right? And whenever we say software as a service, you have infrastructure, you have a fully loaded machine, and you have the software also ready as per your requirement. You just have to customize the software. That is what software as a service. So Salesforce is SaaS product. It is ready and you just have to customize that as Salesforce developer according to your customer specific need. I hope it is clear. So this whole discussion lead you to the understanding of what is the meaning whenever I say Salesforce is an SaaS product. I hope it is clear. I'm providing all my details. In case if you have any further question, just ping me, maybe on WhatsApp or maybe on my website, live chat, or maybe on email. Thanks a lot for taking out time checking this video. See you in the next video, friend. Thank you.